Hey folks, Sky Pilot here. It's time Action Man saw some action. Okay, so get Action Man into action. We'll do the parachute mode first. So turn them on, turn them both on. So what you want to do first is to calibrate first your pair. That pairs it, and then you go bottom left to the lights flash and stop, and bottom right to the lights flash and stop. Wish me luck. I hope I don't lose a Action Man. Okay, let's see some action. Yeah, it's a little tiny bit breezy here, so yeah, Action Man doesn't like the breeze too much, but he's coping pretty well at the moment. Have a look at that, that's cool. Let's try a demo flight here. I'll whack the demo button. Let's see what happens. Oh, he's demo landing. That's cool. It certainly fights the wind. So you can see he's hovering quite nicely. I'm getting into a bit of a breeze here. Certainly flies to the left more than to the right. Back here, Action Man. I'm not finished with you yet. Okay, let's land him. And we'll do another funky move. So I'm going to try some different modes of flight now. Okay, let's try some different modes of flight. See if the speed controller does too much. So this is number 2. Okay, a bit quicker. And number 3. Okay. The number 3 flyby. Whoa, number 3 does rocket along pretty well. Okay, so when Action Man just plummets to the ground, for no obvious reason, you're low on batteries. So this wouldn't be a proper Sky Pilot test without Action Man on the roof. And let's see how high he goes. Okay. Okay, Action Man, this is it. A little bit of a tiny breeze. Just trying to pull him to the right, but he's not wanting to go to the right. Quite a steady flyer, no good in the breeze. I'm quickly going to launch it into the sky, sort out your trim, and then he's good to go. What a funky little flyer. Okay, Action Man, time to reach for the stars. And up we go. Up he goes. Go, Action Man. Oh, look at him climb. Hope you guys can see that. He's a long way up. Up he goes. And yeah, down he comes. Now I'm not going to break this one just yet. I've got a few more tests to do. So as you can see, it's a slight bit of breeze here, and he's handling it really well. I'm quite impressed. Come down and say hello, Action Man. There you have it, guys. Action Man in action. Definitely an indoor drone, however, can be flown outside quite successfully, as long as there isn't too much wind. Oh, let's see if I can bring him in here for a close-up. A little bit of breeze here. I'll try and do a stunt for you. Okay, you ready? And Action Man, action stunt. Whoa, okay. Let's just try that flip again. Let's go the flip, Action Man. Hey, a flip and crash. Get it? Flip and crash. Action Man. Yeah, he's facing the wrong way. Yeah, 30-40 bucks, bang good. Link in description. Lots of fun. A lot more fun indoors, but I like going outdoors. She's a ripper. And running low on batteries. Awesome. Thanks for watching, gang. Eachine E019. Lots of action. Recommended. It's got the Sky Pilot thumbs up. Drop us a comment, like, subs for more fun and laughter and destruction. And see you in the sky. Bye for now.